За мной на ногу. Я тебе скажу, когда будет воин.
Modern warfare has changed. Today, the greatest threat does not always come from tanks or artillery. Sometimes it comes from something that fits into a backpack. Small, fast, and highly lethal. An FPV drone can locate, pursue, and strike a target within seconds. One mistake is often enough to become its next victim. Recently, the Russian Ministry of Defense released a video that quickly attracted the attention of military analysts. The footage shows a group of civilians being evacuated through woodland in the Donetsk region. According to the Russian Ministry of Defense, the operation took a dramatic turn when a Ukrainian FPV drone appeared overhead. At that moment, a Russian serviceman identified as Nazariy Gura reportedly made a split-second decision. He ran away from the civilians, not to save himself, but to draw the drone towards his own position. If the official account is accurate, his actions allowed 5 civilians to escape safely. Was this an act of extraordinary battlefield courage, or does the incident also serve a wider strategic purpose in the ongoing information war? In this video, we examine the reported operation, analyze the tactical decisions involved, and explore what this incident reveals about the evolution of modern warfare. According to the Russian Ministry of Defense, the mission was carried out by personnel from the 5th Separate Commandant's Regiment. The unit operates under the Center Group of Forces. Its objective was straightforward: not to seize territory, not to conduct an assault, but to evacuate civilians from the town of Rodinskoye in the Donetsk region. On paper, such a mission may appear routine. In reality, it is anything but. Rodinskoye lies close to the Pokrovsk sector. This remains one of the most active operational areas in eastern Ukraine. Although the town itself is not always on the front line, it is still within range of aerial surveillance and drone operations. This reflects a defining characteristic of the current conflict. The battlefield no longer has clearly defined front and rear areas. Almost any movement can now be detected from above. According to the Russian account, the evacuation team deliberately chose a route through woodland. This was a tactical decision. Dense vegetation provides natural concealment. Tree cover disrupts aerial observation. It also reduces the effectiveness of optical surveillance. For drone operators, maintaining visual contact with moving targets becomes far more difficult beneath a forest canopy. However, the protection offered by the woodland was only temporary. To reach safety, the group eventually had to cross open ground. This was the most dangerous stage of the journey. Open terrain offers drone operators an unobstructed view. Once detected, the chances of remaining unnoticed fall dramatically. For that reason, the civilians reportedly moved in small groups. They maintained spacing, minimized noise, and relied on camouflage wherever possible. These are standard fieldcraft techniques used to reduce the risk of aerial detection. According to the Russian Ministry of Defense, everything changed just before the evacuation was complete. A Ukrainian FPV drone reportedly located the group. FPV stands for first-person view. Unlike autonomous drones, An FPV drone is flown manually by an operator using a live video feed. This gives the operator direct visual control throughout the attack. The drone can pursue moving vehicles, track infantry, and even engage individual soldiers with remarkable precision. What makes FPV drones especially significant is their cost-effectiveness. Compared with conventional guided weapons, they are relatively inexpensive, yet they are capable of destroying equipment worth many times their own value. This is one of the reasons why military analysts increasingly describe the war in Ukraine as the world's largest testing ground for drone warfare. In this case, the entire account originates from the official statement of the Russian Ministry of Defense. At the time of writing, no independent organization has verified every aspect of the reported sequence of events. That distinction is important. Nevertheless, the incident provides valuable insight into the realities of 21st century warfare. FPV drones have evolved beyond reconnaissance platforms. They are now among the most influential weapons on the modern battlefield. As a result, even a mission focused solely on rescuing civilians can become an extremely high-risk military operation. If the Russian account accurately reflects what happened, then Nazariy Gura's reported actions demonstrate a timeless reality of war. Technology continues to evolve, weapons become faster, drones become smarter, but in the decisive moment, the outcome of an operation can still depend on the judgment, the courage, and the sacrifice of a single individual.
Помогаем гражданским систематически. Раз в неделю стараемся выбирать день, принести им провизии, воды, не бросаем людей. В таких поселках, допустим, какая-то разбитых, нет ни провода, ни света, ни газа. Мы стараемся такие вот посылки приносить им. Где самый минимальный набор продуктов питания, на неделю точно. Это вот вам. Питание.
Наше такое, что без разницы, военные поражают птицами всех.
Военнослужащие, которые выполняют боевую задачу в районе населенного пункта Родинское, обнаружили с помощью своего разведывательного БПЛА небольшую группу гражданских.
Разрабатываем маршруты наиболее безопасные, где есть больше укрытий, где больше возможностей пройти, чтобы занять необходимые рубежи, точки. Постоянно есть картинка, мы видим, контролируем окружающее и проводим людей уже к необходимым местам.